Hey guys, today I will tell you how to make chicken biryani. And for that we will need half kg rice. I have already washed them. Half kg chicken. 2 large sized tomatoes. Some green chilies. Biryani masala. 3 tablespoons salt as per required. 1 medium sized chopped onion. 1 medium sized chopped potato. And a little bit of oil. First I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and I have put the onions into the pot. I am going to mix them until they turn golden brown. I am going to just saute them for a while. So here they are, they turn golden brown. Now we are going to add the chicken into it. Then we are going to mix it nicely. Then I am adding the salt. And again I'll mix it nicely. Then ginger garlic paste into it, 2 tablespoons, and mix it well. When the chicken turns a little bit golden, then we are going to add the tomatoes and potatoes and going to mix them. We are going to cook them until, as you can see, they have turned into a gravy form. Now I am adding the biryani masala into it and I am going to stir it well and nicely, and that's it. Our gravy is ready. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt into it and going to stir it. Yogurt is completely optional. If you want to add yogurt you can, and if you want to skip it you can skip it as well. Now we are going to put the rice. On the other hand, I have taken a pot, put water, salt and rice in it, and we are going to cook the rice. The rice should not be soft completely, but it should not be hard. It should be a little bit soft and a little bit hard. Then we are going to drain out the water. Then we are going to take the pot and put some oil on the bottom. We are going to grease the pot so that our rice don't stick on it. Then we will take a spatula and put rice on the bottom. When we are done adding the rice, then we are going to add the gravy which we had made earlier. This is how it looks after it's cooked. I am adding the gravy completely. Then I am going to add some green chilies and some coriander leaves. Then on the top I am going to add another layer of rice. I am going to cover the pot with a lid and put it into the stove on medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the biryani is cooked. I'm just going to mix it nicely and going to dish it out in a plate. If you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what should I make next, and tell me, was this recipe useful for you or not. Thank you for watching.